Life is too short to own boring cars, but if you think excitement comes with a huge price tag, I'm going to show you why you may want to rethink your ideas. Honda has been making waves in the auto industry, and their latest release is no exception. The 2023 Honda Civic Type R is the most powerful Honda production vehicle ever sold in the US, and the most powerful Type R in the variant's 30-year history. Now, with 315 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque, the Honda Civic Type R packs quite a punch. But it's not just about power. The car was designed and developed and engineered in Japan and track-tested worldwide to deliver the best driving experience in the hot hatch segment. The low and wide design of the Honda Civic Type R is sleek and sophisticated with beautifully integrated advanced aerodynamics. It's not just a pretty face. The Honda Civic Type R is retail #1 in the industry's largest passenger car segment, with double-digit growth this year, but it's not about the numbers. The Civic Type R fulfills its role as one of the primary gateways to the Honda brand. Now, Honda is the #1 brand with first-time, Gen Z and Hispanic buyers, and it has been for the past 5 years. With the Civic and Accord ranking 1 and 2 in cars, and Odyssey as the #1 minivan, the CR-V as the #2 CUV with under 35s, it's clear that Honda is doing something right. Now, honestly, the Honda Civic Type R is not just a car, it's an experience. And with Honda's electrified models off to a record start in 2023, including the CR-V Hybrid, posting its 3 best months of all time, and the Accord Hybrid setting a new sales mark in March, it's clear that Honda is committed to innovation and excellence. If you're looking for a car that delivers power, performance, and style, like me, I'm sure you'll find the Honda Civic Type R the perfect match for your personality. It's a car that will leave you breathless and wanting more. After all, hot hatches have always been hot. It's in the name. Keep calm and motor on.
For Our Auto Expert, I'm Nick Miles.